Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Ito na naman po ako, and for today's video is a very special video kasi pupunta kami ng Austria, ng Bratislava, ng Salzburg at kung saan pa dito sa Europe. So ngayon nagpe-prepare na kami. Ito yung mga dalahin namin. Ayan. Kasi magsasakyan kami papuntang doon. So kailangan namin magdala ng mga pillows. Ayan, mga gamit yan sa loob. Ito yung gamit ko. Syempre, yung AirPods, kailangan yan. Tapos itong dalawang luggage sa akin at kay Sven. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang aming foods. So guys, nagluto ako ng adobo. Nagluto ako ng chicken na may cheese. Tapos nag-bake din ako ng cake. Ayan. Papakita namin yung mamaya. So, update na lang ulit ako. Hi guys. Andito na kami sa sasakyan and we are ready to take off. Are you ready, Svenny?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go. So, time check is 8:31. So, tingnan natin kung anong oras tayo makakadating sa Vienna. We will see. But we search it on Google. I think it's maybe 12 hours now. Yeah, 12 hours because we need to charge the car. We need to have a little break while charging. Maybe 3 to 4 times charging. Yeah, that's the disadvantage of having an e-auto or the electronic cars. You need to charge, but it's really good. And yeah, we are hoping for a good weather also. Let's go guys. Woo!
Bye.
Hi guys. So after 1.5 hours we will have our first charge. Time check is 10:05 and yeah, ito yung charger. Nasa 32% na kami and magcha-charge muna kami. So pakita namin sa inyo paano mag-charge. And I think it's 2 degrees Celsius outside na.
Yeah, only 2 degrees.
Ito na, naka-charge na. Lamig na.
Super lamig. Only 1 degree.
Grabe ang lamig. So, siguro mga 4 charging station pa. So every 1.5 hour kailangan namin mag-charge. So while waiting, kasi it takes 30 to 45 minutes ang pag-charge, kakain muna kami. So meron ako Mountain Dew. Set up muna namin guys. Set up muna namin. So where's our food? I will just get our food.
Thank you. Yes. Wait.
Thank you.
Also, wait. Good.
Fresh good.
Good smell. I love it.
Good smell. You want your coffee?
So,
Thank you. So we have our rice. What else, Ben?
adobo.
Can
Chicken
you show
adobo.
Show them.
Oh, chicken adobo.
And
My favorite. Ooh, it smells good.
it smells good. And this chicken cheese. I baked this one today. Let's eat.
Let's eat. Happy eating.
Happy eating. na kami mag-charge and we are now, yes, 95% na po tayo, and time check 10:47. So we are ready again, guys, for the next trip, for the next 1.5 hour ride, and or maybe 2 hours. Yeah, sobrang lamig. It's lamig outside na. Super lamig. See. So guys, magnanap muna ako kasi mahaba bang biyahe pa ito, and ready na naman yung neck pillow ko tsaka yung eye mask para madilim, para masarap ang tulog. Si Sven muna magdadrive ngayon, mamaya palitan kami. Just woke up, kakagising lang, and eto magcha-charge ulit kami for the second time because we have only 32%. Good morning everyone, this is our third charging station, and time check 3:06 in the morning, and buti na lang merong McDonald's, so pwede kami makapagkape at makapag-pee break. And negative 4 degrees ata ngayon. Grabe ang lamig. Kagising ko lang din ulit. Magkape-kape muna tayo. Good morning again, and time check, guys, is 5:04 na po, and andito po tayo ngayon sa border ng Germany and Austria, and kailangan natin bumili ng toll, yung parang ididikit dito sa sasakyan, kasi pag wala sobrang mahal naman ng bayad, so kailangan natin bumili ng sticker na yon, pero mura lang naman kasi pag wala, ayun, nagbabayad ka ng limpak na salapi. Need namin mag-drive pa ng 3 hours para makaabot. Kaya nakabili na kami. Ito ang kailangan namin, ito ang kailangan ng Austria. Hi guys! And finally, andito na kami sa border ng Austria and Germany, and time check tayo, it's 5:28 AM. So magcha-charge ulit kami kasi 25% na lang, ayun, 26 na. Andito kami ngayon sa Shell, magcha-charge. Mga after nitong charge, kailangan pa namin ulit mag-charge ng isa pa. So ito na yung pang-apat namin na charge ng electronic auto. Ayun, so far so good. Nakakapagod pero no choice. Pero enjoy naman guys. Yun talaga. So negative 3 din ata sa labas, sobrang lamig, kaya dito lang muna ako mag-i-stay. magta-time check ulit tayo. It's 7:40. And of course, magta-charge ulit kami ng auto kasi kailangan namin kasi pag dumating kami sa pupuntahan namin, -6 na kami, kailangan namin mag-charge, kaya isang charging pa. No choice, pero at least makapagpahinga, makapaglakad-lakad pa. And tsaka bibili siguro ng kape. See you guys. So guys, magka-coffee muna kami kasi yung na-charge namin is only 50 kilowatt per hour, parang ganun. So mabagal-bagal siya, bagal-bagal, and yeah, kailangan muna namin magkape. So guys, that was our last charge going to Vienna, Austria, and time check 8:42 a.m. Yay! See you, Vienna.
See you. Wow.
So guys, we still have 1 hour and 13 minutes na magbibiyahe, and yeah, baka mag-nanap muna and video na lang ulit ako. Hello guys, and finally we are in Vienna, Austria. Woo! Magta-time check ulit tayo. Time check is 9:41 a.m. So almost 13 hours na biyahe. Thank you Lord for the safety and protection sa amin. And yeah, and tatapusin ko na din ang vlog na ito kasi mag-prepare muna ako, and watch out for my next vlog kasi itutur ko kayo sa city ng Vienna, Austria. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Welcome to Vienna, Austria. It's my second time here. Woohoo!